Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Hope you all are fine with the grace of Almighty Allah and enjoying good health. I'm Muhammad Khalid, and today we are going to cover week 11, lesson 22, 21, and 22nd. Our discussion topic is geostrategic significance of Pakistan. Well, I have chosen this topic to recover the basic fundamental concepts regarding the significance of our country, our nation, a little bit historical background, plus the geographical advantages that Pakistan enjoys and how the different elements including people, culture, geography, international ties, cooperation of Pakistan and relation with the international community all together make Pakistan as an important country in South Asia and especially a leading country of the Islamic world. Well, in the second week, means the week 12, we will also assess some of the internal conflicts and challenges that Pakistan is facing and competing with, and how we can overcome this. These both the lessons have to be, weeks have to be, need to be understood carefully and think critically about the events that have shaped this nation into a very volatile, creative, or sometimes some people say unpredictable nation on the planet. Well, the first word is called geo. Clear? Now we start thinking about this universe. Remember that there are two theories of this universe, that the universe has came into being automatically, and it is natural and automated. These people are called naturalists. There are other people who believe that all the universe has been created by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala or by someone more sovereign and omnipotent, and they believe in some like God and Allah or something. They call divine people, and somehow they follow the religious creeds. This is how the religions in the world developed and clear. Basically, all these are the ideologies about the government and the universe and this and that. Well, you know this, that the universe is made up of thousands, billions stars and planets. Clear? And our galaxy is just a little portion in this huge, magnificent, unlimited, infinite world. Clear? There are, the 9 planets. Clear? And sun is the center, and earth is the planet that we live in. Clear? And in geo means earth. Clear? When you say geology, geography, it means geo mean earth, geo mean world. Fine. So our Earth is the planet where there is a full blooming life. All other planets might be there are lives, but the symptoms, there are simply speculations from the human end. Fine, but that is not a solid discovery, although claimed has been made that Mars contains some simple symbols of life. Anyway, Earth is made up of different kind of uh, portions or plates, or you can say continents. Here, if you look at the map, this is called world map, and here you find bigger portions of the earth. Fine. The biggest portion of the earth, they are called continents, and this is Asia. The highly populated, diverse and conflicting continent is Asia. Clear? Second huge and vast continent with beauty and mystery and wildlife and flora and fauna, that is Africa. Clear? This short continent with different colors, made up of open land, somewhere there are islands, and it is covered by the sea. This is called Europe. Fine. And right from the Europe, here it is called American continent. Fine. Fine. And North America and South America. Clear? It is called North America, it is called South America. And here you find parallel to the lowest part is Australia, and just below Australia, this area which is covered by the snow is called Antarctica. They are the polars, I mean they all are, say, covered with thick, heavy snow. Fine. So we have seven main say parts of the world. They are called continents. Clear? So if you count them, Asia, Africa, Europe, South America, North America, Australia, and Antarctica. So they are the 7 ones. Well, these 7 parts, or the dry lands, there is another concept. They are called tectonic plates. Tectonic plates, if you look at the map, look at this. If you see the map here, it's an Asian map, and you find out that this is a globe. These points are the center of the earth, and they are just assume this is on the globe, and these lines are very important to decide that which area is situated from the equator at which side and which direction. Well, these bigger continents came into being with in the beginning, that all theory is this, that everything was all the land was just like one plate. Later on, these plates broke and started floating on the water, and you know this, that almost 71% of the earth is water and the remaining 29% is the land. Clear? So our area, our plate, look at this. This is Pakistan, this is India, Bangladesh, and all others. Pakistan and India they are called subcontinent because one side they have been covered by great Himalayan mountains and Karakoram mountains and Hindu Kush mountains, and one direction they are covered by the sea, and these directions they divide them from the other portions, and within these boundaries the people are living for 1,000 years, and they are variety in culture, yet because of the religions, languages, culture, relationship, history and geography, fine, and many other attributes, this part of the world is called subcontinent, fine. And the countries like Afghanistan, Pakistan, India, Nepal, Bhutan, Burma, these are called South Asia. These are called South Asia, fine. And these countries, for East Asia and Malaysia and all others, for, well, this is all. And the plate that, look at this, where Pakistan is situated right in Islamabad, one huge portion of one plate means that, let me talk in Urdu, कि जिस एरिया में पाकिस्तान और इंडिया वाक़या, जहाँ पर, just like you see here, that India and Pakistan are the same continent, but right in Islamabad and these areas, Himalayan mountains, एक प्लेट है, वो खिता जहाँ पर इंडियन प्लेट और यूरोपियन प्लेट ये सारी जो है इकट्ठी हो रही है, इसे कहते हैं फॉल्ट लाइन. Therefore, Pakistan is at the joint of the Eurasian plate. It is called at the joint of the Eurasian plate. Fine. Thank you very much. I think so that I have expressed some of the location, that why it is called subcontinent and what's the position of Pakistan, and then in the second video we'll talk about the neighboring countries and the other attributes of the world. Thank you.